Assalamu alaikum to all. In this video we are going to talk about algebraic identity. And this word is coming up again and again, and you all are familiar about this identity, and you all have learned some standard identity in the previous classes. So let's first recall this identity. As we all know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. But what happens if we are giving a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube? Let's prove this identity. As we can write a plus b whole cube, for proving this we have to break this power. So we can break this power 3 as a plus b whole square and a plus b. A plus b whole square will be obtained as a square plus 2ab plus b square, as this is algebraic identity, and a plus b will be written as it is. Then by using the simple algebraic multiplication we can solve this. So we will multiply each term of first polynomial, means a square plus 2ab plus b square, with the second polynomial a plus b. So we will multiply a square with a plus b, plus 2a with a plus b, and plus b square with a plus b. So when you multiply a square with a plus b, it will be equal to a cube plus a square b. And when you multiply 2ab with a plus b, it will be 2ab square b plus 2ab square. And b square with a plus b become ab square plus b cube. Now we will adding all the like terms together. So this equation will be equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So hence we can say a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now let's prove the second identity, which is a minus b whole cube. So again we can break this power as a minus b square and a minus b. A minus b whole square will be replaced by a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b will be written as it is. Then by using the simple algebraic multiplication, we can multiply first polynomial with the second polynomial, and by doing the same procedure as we did in the previous formula, we got this identity a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we have proved this both identity. Now let's take an example to get this identity better. Here I have 2a plus 3b whole cube. So how can solve this? We can solve this by using algebraic identity, as it is the form of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We will replace a and b with the given values, means we will replace the a with 2a and b with 3b. So let's put this given value in the formula. We will replace a with 2a, so it will be 2a cube plus 3 2a square, then v will be replaced by 3b, then plus 3 2a to 3b square plus 3b cube. Now what we need to do, we will just simply multiplying each term according to the given power. So 2a power 3 means 2a is multiplying thrice, means 2a multiplied by 2a multiplied by 2a. Same as 3 2a square means 3, 2a square means 2 is multiplying twice, so it becomes 4a square, and 3b will be written as it is. Then again 3 will be written as it, 2a will be written as it is. We are just opening the power first. So 3b square become 9b square. And 3b cube means 3 is multiplying twice, 3b multiplied by 3b multiplied by 3b. Then 2a multiplied by 2a multiplied by 2a become 8a cube. Then 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 24, a square b. Then plus 3 2s are 6 and 6 9s are 54, ab square. And then plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, b cube. So here we got the answer. Now let's take another example. Here we are giving 4p minus 1 upon 4 whole cube. So in this formula, as this is the form of a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So what we need to do, we will put the given value. Given value is what? A equal to 4p and b equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, we will put this value in the formula as a is equal to a cube, means we will cube 4p, then minus 3a square. A square means 4p square. Then b means 1 upon 4. Then plus 3a means 4p. And then formula में क्या आता है? b square means 1 upon 4 square. Then plus b cube means what? 1 upon 4 cube. One upon 4 whole cube. Now what we need to do, we will just simply open according to the powers. Okay, 4p whole cube means what? 4 is multiplying twice, means 4p multiplied by 4p multiplied by 4p. When you multiply 4 3 times, so you will be get 4 4s are 16, 64s are 64. So we will get 64p cube. Okay. Now in the other side, then minus. Now 3 multiplied by 4p square. So 3 multiplied by 4p square. 4p square means 16p square and then 1 upon 4. Okay. So as this 16p square, we can cancel this 16 with the denominator 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. We can cancel this. So after cancellation, we will get 3 fours are 12. Okay. So after cancellation, we will be get 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 and 12 ones are 12. So we will be left 12p square. Okay, hope you all are getting this. Now on this side, plus 3 4p. Now 1 upon 4 square means 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. So how can we solve this? We will cancel again 4 with the denominator 16. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So now multiplying this together, 3 ones are 3 and 1 ones are 1. So plus ka 3 and p. Okay. Now in the denominator we will be left 4. So this will be 3p upon 4. Okay. Now अब हमारे पास कौन सी टर्म बची है? We will have this last term. So plus 1 upon 4 whole cube. I am talking about this term. 1 upon 4 whole cube. So 1 upon 4 whole cube means 1 is multiplying twice. 1 multiplied by 1 becomes 1 and 4 multiplied by 4 become 64. So here we got the answer. So we can say A 4p minus 1 upon 4 cube is equal to 64p cube. 4p minus 1 upon 4 whole cube is equal to 64p cube minus 12p square plus 3 upon 4p plus 1 upon 64, which is the solution. Okay, so what I have done this, I just simply putting the given value, put the given value which is a equal to 4p and b equal to 1 upon 4 in the formula. So when you put these value in the formula, you will got the answer. Okay, so hope you all are getting this new identity. If you have any query regarding this, you can ask in comment section. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.